queen.
Snatcher.
She called my wife a
Snatcher?
because she wants something. She's seeking for something. A reaction. The reaction is what she would get if she does not stop harassing my wife.
Why can't you just get her out of our lives? Why can't you get her out of our lives for good? Why?
But you insulting my wife? That your body will not be dragged out without a bullet in the middle of your head.
If she continues to drag me into this mess, she's going to see me in a light that she never expected.
What? Mama, Mama, don't dare that. Do not dare that. My name is Claudia. Remember, you don't do that in my house. Don't raise your hands on me. Homewrecker? Is that not who you are?
Claudia.
What? Is that not
A very good wife always finds different ways to make her husband happy, you know what I'm saying?
And a good husband does the same. I am married to you, and I want to live in my house in peace.
Cage that woman. Trust me, I'm working. If you have to apply the law to cage her so that she can stay out of my space, do so.
And if anybody stands on my way, I will crush the person.
Why does she keep meddling in my private life? Why?
I don't come die with that money. I don't come die with them. I have my life to live. And that's exactly what I am doing.
You can take one here.
Babe, your ex-wife has been coming here to threaten me, my family, everything. How do you think I feel about all of this?
No one is going to blame you for this. It's not your fault. You didn't come into marriage expecting for things to turn out this way, baby. Come on.
I will torment him. I will not let him be.
That girl keeps drilling me, and enough is enough.
But if she thinks, Clinton, that I am going to stand still and do nothing about it, then she must be the joker of all ages.
You try it!
What would you do, Clinton?
Claudia!
You remain my husband, and so shall it be.